Are you responsible for IT in a large organization? Then you probably know what large IT systems can be like. Complex combinations of hardware, software, data, in-own management, or managed by third parties or in the cloud. Your applications have to ensure that clients can be served, or that your end users can properly perform their primary processes. If your clients or users encounter problems, this will have considerable consequences for your reputation, growth, and impact on companies' profits. And you are responsible for finding the right solution. This is often difficult because the origin of the problem is not always clear. Which application is failing? Which supplier should be performing better? Ymor provides software services that allow insight into the end-to-end system process, enabling you to objectively determine where problems are, so you know exactly what to solve and you have the facts to support this. We have been doing this for large organizations for over a decade. How do we do this? We will explain in this video. Ymor looks at a system from the end user's perspective. The end user only experiences the system application interface. For example, a doctor who has to wait too long for patient details during the already short consultation, or clients of a large web shop who get stuck trying to check out, or employees who lose time every day because they have to wait too long for client details. Behind the user experience is a chain of applications and IT infrastructure. With our innovative solution, we simulate the end user's actions and are able to measure exactly how well the underlying processes function. The simulation is conducted using various devices, such as desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones, or through voice services, for example. And we simulate from various locations and points in the system process. In this way, we make the user experience objective. How long does it really take to retrieve data? Which link is responsible for the delay? An insightful dashboard depicts the bottlenecks and what is behind them. This way, you will have no problem finding a solution. If necessary, we can help start the process with independent advice. Our software is able to continuously monitor your system to see whether the solution chosen has the right effect, thus preventing new problems. Ymor's measurements also make it easier for you to start discussions with your suppliers. Your suppliers cannot participate in the blame game by pointing at each other or by hiding behind complicated technical stories. And finally, not only can you find out where a possible bottleneck is located for systems that have already been launched, we can also simulate how a system functions before launch, so you can validate in advance how a new application will behave in situations with a lot of simultaneous visitors. This is how Ymor makes complex chains manageable.